Everest is an initiative where we support people uh, for to living to live better in terms of their lifestyle diseases. So we uh, definitely just deal with lifestyle diseases, and what we support people in correcting it their lifestyle patterns so that they can reverse a lot of lifestyle problems that they are facing. Okay, so when I say lifestyle problems, what I really mean is the way people eat, sleep, sleep versus rest, the way people move. So these are the few things that we really want to look after in people. So we have 4 different programs inside of Conquering My Own Everest. So we have Conquering My Own Everest via Scientific Yoga, wherein we are teaching people how to take care of their flexibility of the backbone, because it has a lot to do with our well-being. The way we are these days, that we do a lot of sit down work, or we do a lot of exercises which are not natural. So we are actually in turn making our backbone very stiff, and that's causing a lot of hormonal disbalance that we don't realize because we don't see it. So that's first part of the program. Second part of the program is Conquering My Own Everest via Dhyan, which is about balancing your HPA axis, which is hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis, in which we essentially teach people how to rest, because resting well has a lot to do with your good good life, and good hormones, and good uh, like healthy body. So that's second part. In third part of our workshop, which is called Conquering My Own Everest healthy via developing healthy habits and healthy systems. तो हम बहुत सारे systems develop करते हैं efficiency and effectiveness के लिए, जिससे हम work में efficiency produce करते हैं, money generation में efficiency produce करते हैं, social recognition में efficiency produce करते हैं, but we have rarely any structure and system in place जिसमें हम ऐसा ensure करें कि हम कल आज से ज़्यादा healthy हों. But we are not going towards better health. We can clearly see that we are going towards worse health day by day. So how to develop those habits and systems is the third part of the third workshop. The fourth workshop, which is our main workshop, flagship workshop, is Conquering My Own Everest via nutrition. That how nutrition, we can correct our nutrition, and that can actually do a lot good to us in maintaining our health, good health. Now, when I say uh, lifestyle diseases, do you recognize what are the lifestyle diseases?
It's your basic habits of your in your day-to-day life.
अच्छा, lifestyle diseases के बारे में बात करें तो lifestyle diseases are blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid
Diabetes,
problems,
heart diseases,
heart
heart
diseases,
disease.
acid reflux, obesity, PCODs, acne.
Mm-hmm.
These are lifestyle diseases. What are the other kind of diseases?
Correct, correct.
Other kind of diseases जो हमें बैक्टीरियल और वायरल इन्फेक्शन से होती हैं, जिनके बारे में हम ज्यादा कुछ मतलब कर सकते हैं, हम अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ा सकते हैं, बट अदरवाइज वो
Immunity बढ़.
बाहर से इफेक्ट करती हैं. अनदर काइंड ऑफ डिजीजेस आर जो हमें
Correct.
जेनेटिक्स से मिली होती हैं, तो उनके बारे में भी हम उनका सिर्फ मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं, दैट वी कैन लर्न टू लिव विद देम. The another kind of things that happen to us is unfortunate accidents. तो जिसमें हमको मेडिकल हेल्प ही लेनी होती है, देयर इज नो अदर वे दैट वी कैन डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. तो इसमें जो फर्स्ट कैटेगरी है, विच इज बीपी, एक्ने, पीसीओडीज, ओबेसिटी, हाइपरटेंशन, ब्लड शुगर, ऑटो इम्यून डिजीजेस, थायराइड प्रॉब्लम्स, तो ये प्रॉब्लम्स जो हैं लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस के पर्व्यू में आती हैं, जिनके लिए हम न्यूट्रिशन सिखाते हैं लोगों को कि कैसे वो न्यूट्रिशन से यूज करके, अगर लोग मेडिकेशन पे हैं तो न्यूट्रिशन अगर हम सही तरीके से यूज करेंगे तो उनका मेडिकेशन बेटर वर्क करेगा. एंड सम पीपल आल्सो गेट ऑफ देयर मेडिकेशन by learning the right nutrition. So this is what our system is of the nutrition. This is what our aim is through nutrition. Now I want to tell you some my story, that how I got into it. Like, I'm like normal coach I was, and delivering various kind of behavioral training programs, and my life was pretty happening. My husband is an IIT Roorkee graduate. We have a good setup कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन. तो अगर मुझसे कोई 35 की जब मैं एज की थी कोई मुझसे पूछता तुम्हारी लाइफ कैसी है स्तुति, तो आई वुड हैव सेड वो लाइफ इज गुड, इट्स हैपनिंग, सब कुछ अच्छा है, फैमिली अच्छी है, बिजनेस अच्छा है, थिंग्स आर गुड फॉर मी. बट आज मैं 43 की हूँ और कोई मुझसे पूछे कि 35 में तुम्हारी लाइफ कैसी थी, तो नाउ आई कैन गिव द ऑनेस्ट आंसर. सो आई वाज गेनिंग वेट, So I was gaining weight every month, maybe 100 grams, but then I was gaining weight. I had severe acid reflux, which means कि मैं रुड़की से दिल्ली बिना 2-3 वॉमिट किए नहीं पहुंच सकती थी. I had so much of acid reflux. I used to puke so often, and my knees didn't work. That means if I had to sit like the position I'm sitting in right now, in a चौकड़ी मार के बैठना जिसको कहते हैं, तो मेरे एक्चुअली एक आंसू निकल जाता था. अगर कोई मुझे सिट डाउन करने को बैठ बोले जमीन पे तो भी मैं एक आंसू के साथ ही नीचे बैठती थी. और मेरे आसपास के लोग, स्पेशली माय हस्बैंड, यूज्ड टू कॉल मी ओकेजनल हार्ड वर्कर, क्योंकि मैं अपनी एनर्जी कंजर्व करके रखती थी किसी बहुत जरूरत की चीज में उसको इस्तेमाल करने के लिए. So that was my life when I was 35. I don't think it was all that great. Maybe I had business and I had money going on and I had a good family. But as far as I am concerned, my health wasn't working out. And then I used to be very, very irritable. If I haven't gotten food right on time, then I was the most irritated woman to hang around with. So even मेरी पूरी family को पता था कि इस लड़की को पहले खाना खिला दो to, you know, for her to become normal. So as I was saying, if now look back, I can say life wasn't really that great and it wasn't going in the right direction. But I wasn't aware. When did I got aware of it? So I got aware of it. So Shishir is like handsome and a graduate and all that. So, and then suddenly he started losing weight. And as we thought, oh, maybe a healthy lifestyle, he's losing weight. But then doctor suggested get the test done, and we got the test done. And here's what the test report said. The test report said his blood sugars are plus 550, random blood sugar, and his triglycerides were 800 plus. And I didn't even know what it means to have that kind of a triglycerides and blood sugar. So we thought it's not the right measure, right report. We got the test done again, and the similar reports came again. So we went, I'm like, as anybody would do, we started going to doctor, one doctor to another, Ayurvedic doctor, homeopathy doctor, allopathy doctor. But more or less, the verdict was the same, that he will have to have medicine for a long, long time. So we actually tried everything. We tried allopathy, Ayurvedic, homeopathy, and there's somebody right now. I'm just admitting the person. Let's see what happens to the conversation. Hi, Pratik.
Hi, Stuti. How are you?
Good. You're in the middle of a conversation. So see if you can catch up with it. I'm just telling you some bit of the story, and let's see if you can catch up. And
No
whatever that you
problem.
left out, I'll summarize it for you a little later. So I was sharing
Yes.
that I was 35, and when I was 35, if somebody would have asked me how's my life, I would have said good, very good. But now I'm 43, and if I look back at 35, I can tell you life wasn't that great because my knees weren't working. I had severe acid reflux. I was gaining weight, but I wasn't aware. When I got aware, I really got aware when we got tests done, and unfortunately not mine, but my husband's, and we realized that his triglycerides were 800 and his blood sugar, random blood sugar, was 550. So, Bhavesh, at the same point of time, I got my test done as well. And I realized my blood sugar was 119, which is like a morning first sugar, and it was like borderline case for sugar. And the verdict of doctors were that you got to maybe take a medicine for a long, long time, and that's the way you got to live now. So, and more I started studying, I realizing um, that these these medicines are gonna run our life now. And at the same point of a time, I actually became a little inquisitive and I started asking everybody in everybody's family what kind of a disease they are dealing with, just out of curiosity. So to begin with, I realized my parents are taking BP medicines and sugar medicines for many, many years. I wasn't aware of it. It's the first time that awareness dawned on me that even my parents are living on these medicines. So first time when the reports came out, let me be honest, I was actually embarrassed. I didn't want to go out and tell anybody कि शिशिर की blood reports इतनी खराब आई. But I thought it's it's a bad thing to happen. But then I started discovering, and I discovered every household has the same story. Every household has somebody जो thyroid की medicine खाते हैं या BP की medicine खाते हैं या sugar की medicine खाते हैं या go to medicines खाते हैं, like acid reflux की कोई medicines खाते हैं, Pentacid खाते हैं या Zintac खाते हैं. So I realized it's not a story of my life. It's a story of everybody's life. And that's the first time something struck me. I thought it's a generation problem. So there is something that all of us are doing wrong. It's not that I am doing wrong. And just to put this record straight, I am somebody who is non-alcoholic, non-smoker, and a vegetarian family. So मैंने सोचा कि मेरा blood sugar at the age of 36, 37, 119 आ सकता है. Then Shishir is, of course, Shishir drinks and Shishir smokes and then everything. So I thought, and मेरा, मतलब forget about it, but मेरा इतना ऐसे आ सकता है, तो कौन बचा होगा दुनिया में? I really wanted to understand it. तो मुझे realize हुआ शायद ही कोई बचा हो. It's like everybody's had the same story to replicate. किसी की थोड़ी, किसी की ज़्यादा. So then I wanted to figure out what is that we are doing as a generation, what is that we are doing wrong. So here's what I discovered, and here's what I want to tell you, and see if it is true for you. So I started checking my food. So first thing that I did, what I discovered, मेरे रोज के food में ये 10 चीजें थी. And I'm saying it, see if it is for you also. रोटी, दाल, चावल, दूध, दही, चाय दूध कप, चाय दूध, coffee, some kind of a juice, some fruit juice, fruit or fruit juice. So this was in my everyday meal. This was my everyday meal. And of course some sabzi, so is it similar for you? Or maybe,
Yeah, almost.
yeah, if you're a non-vegetarian, then maybe egg or chicken, and chicken or rice and fish or something like that. Okay, so this was my everyday meal, and to my surprise I realized,
Okay. Okay, my wife will also join in, so you can continue from wherever you are. I told her to join, but she was busy with something else. So she's also joining. Her name is
and
Amrita.
Deepika, hi Amrita, you can say thank you.
Hi.
And Deepika, I want to tell you, Shweta is here on the waiting room. She'll have to tell her to join tomorrow now. Will you do that?
Yeah, I will.
All right, so
You can just give her a brief about what are we talking about, because I didn't mention
don't
her
worry,
about this.
what I'll do is, what I will do is, Deepika, you can listen to this one. What I will do is, I will do another introduction right after this introduction, where I will say the whole thing again. Don't worry about it. Since it's just 20 minutes, I can say it again. Don't worry about it. She can sit, let me just finish it once, and then I will say
No
it.
worries.
I'll tell
what
the
I
same to Shweta, right then?
Correct, yeah. So I discovered that the list that I've told you, that this is what I eat every day, and I realized कि जो मेरा पूरा खाना है, ये more than, to be on a safer side, 75% plus carbohydrate है. And then I went out and searched the meaning of carbohydrate. So the carbohydrates, meaning it, in science carbohydrates are जो body में जाकर glucose में convert होते हैं, वो carbohydrate होते हैं. It's a simple scientific meaning. Okay. I realized I'm eating 75% plus. Precisely in my case, it was 90% plus. But 90% plus food, I'm eating carbohydrate every single day. The second question that I asked myself, what are the other things that my body needs? So then I realized my body needs protein, my body needs fatty acids, my body needs vitamins and minerals. But where are they? Am I having them? मेरे stomach में जगह है उनको लेने के लिए? And my answer was no, because I was so full with carbohydrate. And carbohydrate is equal to glucose is the second revelation for me. So I said, no wonder that I am pre-diabetic and Shishir is diabetic and everybody else around is in the same boat. That's when I started studying nutrition. I started going and asking people who are fit, who are healthy, who are old, who are fit and who are healthy. And then I'm a self-educated person in this. I actually went and read whole physiology, all body functioning, all body systems. I went ahead and I studied how the nutrition works. And then I got to realize that our body actually need the balanced food, the balance of carbohydrate, the balance of protein, fatty acids and vitamins and minerals जो कि हमको natural चीजों से मिल सकते हैं और हमको supplement लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. And all that I did was started balancing all these components in my food. Okay. So it's not that I don't eat carbohydrate at all. I do eat carbohydrate, but I know when I need carbohydrate. I eat enough protein, I eat enough fatty acids, and I eat enough micronutrients, which we get from greens. And ever since I started balancing, I started losing weight, and then my blood sugars came online, and my energy started increasing, my acid reflux started healing. And just to give you a quick data point, Shishir right now is managing his sugar. Shishir's random sugar comes around 170, and morning sugar varies between 107 to 119. So that means he is doing pretty well in comparison to where he was at that point of a time. And his triglycerides are completely managed, and he has way more energy than what he had a few years back. And he's still on the path of recovery. And I'm doing very well as far as I am concerned. So this is what has happened, and this is our story. And then I have several other stories to tell you how people heal their acne, or how their people are managing their autoimmune disease, healing their uh, heart diseases, healing their fatty livers, grade 3 fatty livers. People are healing their knee problems, arthritis, osteoarthritis. So there are a lot of things that people are dealing with, people are healing, just balancing the nutrition and just bringing the awareness. So that's the program. And how do we do this program? So we don't say, we are not set of dietitian who will tell you कि आज 2 अंडे खाना और 4 बादाम खाना और एक रोटी खाना. That's not what we do. We train people, give people awareness कि क्या फूड क्या करता है आपकी बॉडी के साथ और आपकी टाइप की बॉडी के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए है. तो वी गिव दिस अवेयरनेस टू पीपल एंड वी ट्रेन यू to design your own meals. So we handhold you for 90 days. तो जो शिफ्ट होता है ना वैसे नहीं होता कि आज आप एक्स खाते थे और कल एकदम ऐसे खाने लगोगे. The shift happens very gradually, like we say 1% a day. So small changes keep happening. So in 90 days you learn the entire process. आप अपनी बॉडी में जो एंजाइम्स एक्टिवेट करने की जरूरत होती है उनको एक्टिवेट करते हैं. Suddenly somebody starts eating a lot of protein, like tomorrow morning you start eating protein, your body will not take it because the proteins need peptides to digest. Peptides एक्टिवेट होने में टाइम लगेंगे बॉडी में. तो अगर आप धीरे धीरे इंडिकेशन दोगे कि प्रोटीन्स आर कमिंग, देन बॉडी विल बी एबल टू एब्जॉर्ब देम. एंड सो इज विद द अदर nutrients as well. So we train people on going slow, on bringing the balance, observing themselves, what their body needs, what their lifestyle needs. So we train people on them and we handhold them to design their own nutrition. And 90% people are successful in doing that. 10% people aren't successful, but 90% people are successful in doing this entire process. So I give this analogy. This program is more like, if you go in, you want to learn about stock and you want to double your wealth, then you go in for 3 months and you take the stock program. And in 3 months you learn, right? You may, and then when do you use it? Lifetime. So that's how this program is. Conquering My Own Everest via Nutrition is this program where you learn the basic physiology, learn the basic nutrition, and when do you use it? Throughout your life. And in these 90 days, you will start seeing some benefit, but they may not be the final benefits because you will keep accruing them over period. Like I'm still not the finished product. I'm still in process to reach a place where I want to reach, or then when I reach that place, I would want to maintain that place. So it's always an ongoing journey. So I rest myself here, and if I open it for you to ask questions so that I can answer for you.
So I believe the process is not difficult. The what you said rightly, the last thing, maintaining is the issue. I genuinely feel maintaining, when you reach somewhere, maintaining that thing is tough. For example, if I join this program, yeah, I might be very but very I will follow A to Z everything for the 90 days. what after 90 days, you know,
So we
whether
will
I
train you
will
कि वो
continue on the 90.
स्ट्रक्चर, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि अभी तक ना हमको भवेश दूसरों के बनाए हुए स्ट्रक्चर्स में परफॉर्म करने की आदत है। मतलब ये हमारी बचपन की ट्रेनिंग है। हमें स्कूल में डाला, हमने 12th कर लिया, हमें कॉलेज में डाला, हमने ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया, हमें ऑफिस में डाला, स्ट्रक्चर दिया, हमने वो कर लिया। सो वी आर प्रीटी मच ट्रेन लाइक दैट कि अगर हमें कोई और स्ट्रक्चर दे तो हम वर्क करते हैं। So one of the beautiful thing about this program is, since I am fundamentally a coach, so the one beautiful thing is we train you to design your own systems, so that long after the 90 days are finished, you still have a structure in place, so that you can continue working on the structure. You got it? And this whole community, Conquering My Own Everest community, will always be with you. And then we have a structure कि कोई 1 साल तक सपोर्ट में रहना चाहता है, ज्ञान ले लिया, अभी 3 महीने सीख लिया, अभी वो सपोर्ट में रहना चाहता है, तो उसके लिए भी एक स्ट्रक्चर है कि दिस इज द वे यू कैन use us to reach the benefit. Like I still use a lot of, I will use people of my own community to tell me कि अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ कि अभी मैं ये 21 दिन ये प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ, you be my accountability partner. And then so I keep using the same community members to keep upgrading myself. And then I will teach you this whole thing as well. This is a part of our 90 days regime. So there are two parts of the workshop. First workshop we teach nutrition, and the second workshop we teach you how to convert it into a lifestyle. And when I say how to convert into a lifestyle, you need some structures, you need some systems, some new habits to be in place. तो वो भी सिखा के भेजेंगे।
Okay.
एक छोटी सी बात और बताती हूँ, मैं ये हमेशा एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि सबके पास फोन होता है, राइट? एक होता है कि डॉक्टर्स और आप में क्या अंतर है, तो मैं उसके लिए एनालॉजी देती हूँ। सबके पास फोन होता है, लाइक यू नो, फोन यूज करना कौन सीखता है? हमको, राइट? फोन खराब हो जाता है तो हम कहाँ लेके जाते हैं? सर्विस सेंटर।
सर्विस सेंटर।
पर अगर हम फोन यूज करना ही नहीं सीखेंगे तो क्या फायदा है? तो मैंने ही रियलाइज किया कि हमारे पास ये मशीन है, दिस बॉडी, ये एक मशीन है, इज अ बेस्ट बिल्ट मशीन। वी गॉट टू लर्न टू यूज इट। खराब हो जाएगी, नहीं वर्क करी, तो हम सर्विस सेंटर विच इज इक्वल टू डॉक्टर के पास जा सकते हैं, पर उससे पहले तो खुद ही सीख लेते हैं ना इसको यूज करना। And that's a simple attempt that we do in our work, that we train people on क्या, and trust me, it's not that difficult. ऐसा लगता है कि डॉक्टर्स 5 साल MBBS करते हैं और फिर इंटर्नशिप करते हैं और फिर MD करते हैं और फिर उनको आता है, तो हम कैसे सीख सकते हैं 90 दिनों में? But trust me, 90 दिनों में यूज करना आ जाएगा। You don't have to figure out कि पीछे कौन सा सर्किट कहाँ जुड़ा हुआ है। You don't have to figure out all of that. But आपको बेसिक जो मालूम होना चाहिए फोन यूज करने के लिए, the basic system, वो बेसिक चीजें आपको आ जाएंगी। And that is essential for all of us to live well. And मैंने ही फिगर आउट किया, मुझे ये नॉलेज किसी ने नहीं दी थी, और अगर मुझे दी होती तो शायद मैं बेटर होती, या फिर हो सकता है उस टाइम पे मैं सुनती नहीं क्योंकि मुझे जरूरत नहीं थी। तो मेरे को लग रहा था कि भी तो सब अच्छा ही चल रहा है तो चलने दिया। तो जब जरूरत हुई तो देन सीखा, और मुझे वर्थ इट लगा, तो मैं सबको सिखाना चाहती हूँ।
Good.
That's what the story is.
Stuti, I have a question. Like, I can follow programs. I have been in and out of gyms, these fitness programs, where I want to know, like, you mentioned, like, you have healed acne. And I have been struggling with thick acne on my back, and I don't know if it's genetical or hereditary. My brother also have it. Our backs are filled with acne, and it has been for good 10, 12 years now. I have been to doctors, I have cured it. Can it be cured by food, or is it something wrong? Some toxins which are accumulated in our body? What could be the problem?
I can tell you in nutshell what's the problem. Nutshell is, I'm sure you already know it. Estrogen imbalance is the problem, right?
Mhm.
Estrogen,
Okay.
progesterone, and testosterone. So these are the three basic hormones that are the problem of acne. Now, you can take medication, and medication will temporarily heal the hormone disbalance, because either they furnish that hormone which is missing from outside, and that kind of balances you. So the moment you stop the medication, the acne surfaces again. That's one approach that doctors take. they gave contraceptive pills to women to heal acne because that hormone is not there. उनका पूरा period cycle रोक खत्म करके और फिर उनके acne temporarily heal कर देते. But the life strikes back again, and then the basic reason जिसकी वजह से hormone disbalance है वो वापस आ जाता है. तो हम अगर न्यूट्रिशन, अगर हम ये समझ जाएंगे कि एस्ट्रोजन इम्बैलेंस हो कहाँ से रहा है, व्हाट इज एट द रूट कॉज ऑफ इट, अगर हम उसे ठीक करेंगे तो एस्ट्रोजन ठीक होने के बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस हैं. करेक्ट. और अगर जब हार्मोनल डिसबैलेंसेस ठीक होगा तो आपके एक्ने ठीक होने के बहुत चांसेस हैं. और कैसे ठीक होगा, प्रतीक मुझे, मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि एक्ने, पीसीओडी, पीसीओएस आर नॉट जेनेटिक प्रॉब्लम्स. जेनेटिक डिजीजेस आरएनए और डीएनए से ट्रांसफर होते हैं. इट टुक मी अ व्हाइल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट एंड मे बी इट विल टेक अ व्हाइल फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. हैबिट्स आर जेनेटिक. तो सेम घर में तुम्हें और तुम्हारे भाई को है, तो मतलब सेम घर में सेम हैबिट्स हैं, सेम फूड हैबिट्स हैं, सेम ड्रिंकिंग हैबिट है, सेम स्लीपिंग हैबिट्स है, ऑलमोस्ट द सेम काइंड ऑफ हैबिट्स. द हैबिट्स आर कॉजिंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम. So what we need to shift? Those habits. Yeah, that's what we need to shift. And if we recognize what habit to shift और cause क्या कर, अगर ये तुम discover कर पाओगे तो तुम you can play around with it. अभी another thing क्या है कि प्रतीक, जैसे in our team people have healed, like Deepika is here, Deepika is healer acne. So now it was a Deepika's discovery journey. Like Deepika has to discover every single day कि उसे क्या खाने से या क्या लेने से उसका hormone disbalance होता है. For example, she discovered that coffee doesn't work for her. I mean, now I couldn't have said that to her. I mean, I couldn't have figured that. I mean, I could have mostly said chocolate dekho, sugar dekho. So sugar definitely didn't work for her. But then when she cut down on sugar, she realized it's still showing up. Then she realized it's coffee which is not working for her. So then she controlled coffee, and she was all clean. And then suddenly she realized there's acne coming, one or other showing up. Then she had to look back and figure out what have I done differently. And then she figured out what she is doing differently is pickles, and the pickles are not working for her. So it's a discovery onto yourself, that you keep discovering what's not working. Now many people think the problem is acne. Just taking an example, acne is not a problem. Acne is only showing there is a problem going on inside. And you know what, तुम 50-60 की एज मैनेज कर जाओगे. सॉरी बट मे बी you're just 30 years old, but then 50-60 तक मैनेज कर जाओगे दवाइयों से, somehow. What after that? When that problem will show up as something big, will show up as, I'm sorry to say, but that might just show up as prostate state 2, state 3. तब क्या करोगे? When is the right time to heal it? Right now. Because estrogen problem it's a estrogen, progesterone, testosterone are sexual hormones. And वो कहाँ पे डैमेज करेंगे? हमारे सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन्स के अराउंड डैमेज करेंगे. अगर मेरे को एसिड रिफ्लक्स का प्रॉब्लम था तो वो मेरा क्या डैमेज कर रहा था? वो मेरा इंटेस्टाइन डैमेज करेगा, बिकॉज वहीं पर है. और वो प्रॉब्लम शो अप होगी मेरे को जब मैं और बड़ी हो जाती, जब छोटी उम्र में मैंने दवाइयों से मैनेज कर लिया, पर थोड़े दिनों बाद बॉडी दवाई इनसेंसिटिव हो जाती, फिर वो कहाँ शो अप होती? इन सम अदर वे शो अप होती, लाइक हर्निया की जैसे शो अप होती मे बी, और किसी और प्रॉब्लम से शो अप होती. तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि जो ये यंगर एज की प्रॉब्लम होती है वो सिर्फ सिम्टम्स होती हैं, और हम सिम्टोमेटिक ट्रीटमेंट करते रहते हैं, जबकि हमको उसका सोर्स ट्रीट करना होता है. और एक बार समझ में आ जाए सोर्स तो आप ट्रीट कर सकते हो. इट्स अ स्लो प्रोसेस, बट यू कैन ट्रीट इट. व्हाट्स अ बेनिफिट? मतलब मेरी को क्या समझ में आती है, इट्स till the time I'm alive, I'm 18. मतलब I am fit and healthy. I'm not. I can just live on well. I mean, I metamorphically can say that 18. What your young till 18. What's that English song? I just
Okay.
18 till I die. I'm sorry, the Shishu supported me. 18 till I die. So metamorphically, I say that. But then what I really mean is, till the time I'm here on this earth, I can use this body really well. It works for me. Is what I dream of.
Got it.
So that's what the program is, and yeah, it's a good idea to understand why you have so much of acne, what habits you need to shift, and why you are gaining weight, Bhavesh. It's a good idea to check right now and to correct it and mind it. मैं तो ऐसे सोचती हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं आप कैसे सोचते हैं, कि जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, मतलब हम सोचते हैं वो हमें लुक आफ्टर करेंगे, पर यार उनका भी लाइफ, उनका करियर होगा, उन्हें करने देंगे यार, हम खुद ही को लुक आफ्टर कर लेते हैं अभी। एटलीस्ट दैट्स व्हाट आई।
Correct.
Yeah.
So it's a good time to invest in ourselves, get into the education, and yeah, start treating yourself. अधिकतर डाइट प्रोग्राम्स और हमारे बीच में ये अंतर होता है कि डाइट प्रोग्राम्स बता देते हैं, कुछ लोगों के लिए डाइट प्रोग्राम्स वर्क भी करते हैं, पर 3 मंथ्स बाद समझ में नहीं आता क्या वर्क किया,
Yeah.
because they don't give you out the real thing. I mean, so but in our
Mhm.
case, we give as much education as possible, so that you guys are independent, you guys are light onto yourself and light onto your families also.